Hi guys, welcome to my channel, my second channel. Today we're gonna ask ourselves a fun question called, how many people are stealing my mail? If you guys have been here, well actually no, you don't know. I think I'm gonna post this video on Graveyard Girl because it's just too insane. Weird mail, weird mail. I also ordered an order from Deandri on Black Friday. And 5 items, I think, is supposed to be five items. I think I'm slowly tapping back into my Gothic side because I decided to shop on this website. Does that make any sense? I feel like I went through this phase where I was like, oh yeah, maybe like wear like pink and other colors that aren't black. But now I'm just like, let's just go back to wearing mostly black. It's been a hot minute since I have shopped at Deandri's website, and I'm not even sure I'm pronouncing that right, and I wish that I could easily lay my hands on these shoes. Like, for some reason, a lot of really cool indie clothing brands were like exploding on social media when social media was first becoming a thing. Oh, I see them. Okay, I'm gonna get them. These were my first experience with the brand Deandri. Do you guys remember these? I don't even remember what they're called, unfortunately, but what I do remember is my first TV interview appearance. I was wearing these shoes. I wore these shoes to the studio and everybody loved them. I was trying to make a statement at the beginning of this video and I feel like it's coming out really convoluted. But basically what I'm trying to say is I feel like all of these indie brands and stuff like Unif and Deandri, and I'm trying to think of some other good examples. I guess like Unif is kind of like a household name now, but I feel like the beginning days of social media, like before it was so diluted and corporatized, it was a really cool place to discover like indie fashion brands and stuff. And I guess I've lost a lot of these brands over time. Like, I just don't see them as much in my feed anymore. I feel like they've kind of gotten lost and shuffled to the back. But somehow I saw them like run an ad or something on Instagram around Thanksgiving / Black Friday. And I was like, oh my God, that brand, I have not thought of them in half a century. And it promulgated me to browse their website. They were having a brand new collection drop and I bought some things. Wow, 5 minutes just to say that. Let's cut open some goth girl clothes. I feel like we can call this like the goth girl haul. So hopefully there's gonna be like 5 or 6 items in here. I think that's what I ordered. Hopefully they survived. Wish me luck. Ooh. Ah. Wow. So the first thing we got is a little reusable tote bag, which is pretty cute. I thought this was like a Spider Woman. It kind of is. What's going on here? I like this, but also I'm very confused. I got this really cool collar. Oh, it's like I have a seed in my mouth. Ugh. Now it's stuck in my teeth. My God. 2 collars. I guess this is how there can be like 6 items in this bag because they're all really tiny. Oh my God. I'm really concerned that this is gonna fit. This doesn't look big enough. Oh my God, it is. Okay, look, I can be a clown. I really want to get into wearing stuff like this because I feel like, honestly, I know this is gonna sound crazy, but I'm just gonna share with you guys one of my little fantasies, which is to just start dressing like a vampire every day, but like a realistic vampire. And I feel like that's inspired by this movie, which, oh my gosh, I forget where it's from. It's a mockumentary, and I think it's literally called Vampires or The Vampires. I'll try and link it to you guys down below. I know for a while it was on Netflix, but I don't think it's been on there for years. But I'm just like, oh my God, I want to dress like that every day. This is for my vampire wardrobe when I go through that particular midlife crisis. Not 100% sure how you attach this. It's got all these like buttonholes sewn into it, but it doesn't just like button. I guess it like buttons somehow inside of your clothes that have neck buttons. I'm very confused. I'm probably just gonna safety pin it. if I'm being honest. And then we have this one, which is called the Black Bishop collar. You know what? Maybe it's just made exclusively for their dresses. Okay, this is really weird. I got this one and this is a small, and then I got this one and it's a large. So I wonder if they're both gonna fit or if this one is not gonna fit and like why I did that. Ta-da! I just now realized you guys probably like can't really see the detail too much. Also, I'm just like, it's a video of collars. Wow, revolutionary. This is something else I bought. Oh, okay, it's a dress. See, this is the kind of stuff I fantasize about wearing. Just heckle me every day until I wear this dress. It's actually 100% sheer, so it's gonna be really fun, like, trying to figure out how to style it, but when there's a will, there's a way. I just liked this so much, and it is solid black and completely sheer, so hopefully you guys are gonna be able to like get an idea of it, because like I said, it's gonna be a little bit of a challenge to style, but it just looked so good on the website. Like, do you guys ever get lured in by stuff like that? Like, to buy pieces of your wardrobe that's not maybe 100% practical, but it's like the way they model it on the website, you just want to wear it so bad that you kind of like buy it and then you get it and you're like, but what, how am I gonna wear this? It has these really cool gathered puffy princess sleeve kind of things. It almost has like a medieval type vibe, and then this whole midsection, or top should I say, is like a ruching, and it just looks so pretty. And then the bottom, of course, is just like this really beautiful like flowy mesh maxi type thing. It actually does have a collar that's full of buttons, which makes sense that their collars are like designed specifically to be worn with their dresses. I almost want to say that's why I ordered this particular collar, because this whole thing is how it was modeled. I think they had this like ruffled collar and this whole dress thing. I don't know. It's gorgeous, and I feel like I immediately need to hang this. Chunks it on top of somewhere. All right, up next, look at these shenanigans. Why am I having so much fun just like tossing? Ooh, it's a hacky sack. What do we have here? It's Johnny. No, it is, oh wow, unexpected yet delightful. It is kind of like I guess you could call this a belt. I don't know. It's like a half corset. Oh my god. Okay, extra small / small. I'm like, I am freaking not an extra small. This is like another piece that I just like fantasize about figuring out how to wear. Like, you know where I feel like all the Instagram baddies do this, where they wear like an oversized t-shirt, much like the one I'm wearing today, and then like a cincher waist belt type thing, so that it's kind of like a t-shirt is like puffy on the top and kind of like dress length on the bottom. I thought that I could kind of dress this up or use it to dress up more casual pieces. I always tell you guys everything first, but I want to do one of those videos where it's like a 24-hour transformation or like a 24-hour like glow up. Like, some of them use a certain amount of money and then like see how much they can like transform themselves in 24 hours. And that just sounds like such a fun challenge to me. And honestly, I'm just so excited for any challenge on YouTube. I feel like that is just kind of like, unfortunately, a dying thing, but I miss it because I feel like things like that made the YouTube community actually feel like a community. Here we have another dress, which is kind of like a mashup of everything I've already just shown you guys, but this is like all one piece put together. Okay, what size is this? Okay, a small. I was like, what's going on? So once again, it has a collar that I can attach one of those collars I bought to, and it is mesh on the top, slightly puffy sleeves, and a nice plain black collar on the end of the sleeve. Collar, is that what I'm looking? Cuff, that's the word I'm looking for. It has kind of like a built-in belted corset section attached to the front. And then it just has like a plain black skirt attached to it. And then, like I just said, a zipper running up the back. But I don't know. I just thought that this was like kind of casual, but kind of dressy. Maybe a little bit more on the dressy side. I don't know why I was just really into mesh that day. Also, I just keep stepping on this thing. Okay, honestly, it is like, so what am I gonna do with these things? Last thing is it a belt? I think it's a belt. Or is it a leg cuff? I don't know. I always wanted one of these like leg. Oh yeah, it's a leg cuff. Oh my God, is this gonna fit my leg? I've always wanted one of these and I don't know why. Because it's kind of cute and then maybe also kind of silly. And then also I'm like, is this gonna fit on my leg? It's supposed to go like right here, I think. You're supposed to like lace it up. So it's kind of like a garter, I guess. And then kind of like a leg corset. When I'm holding this stuff up as I'm wearing my loose, messy Backstreet Boys shirt, I feel like it's a very silly suggestion. But on the website, it looked very cute. So that's what I'm gonna keep in my mind. Today's video was pretty short and sweet for a banana peppers video, but I just felt like checking in with you guys, and I don't know, I kind of like opening my fashion mail up on this channel. I feel like it's more kind of like casual content. I'm here, I felt like hanging out. Was it a good video? Is this a complete video? I don't know. Leave me your thoughts and opinions down below. Thank you guys so much for being here today and for hanging out and for watching. And hopefully I will see you guys again very soon. But until I do, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much and I will see y'all later. Bye.